Hi everybody, my name is Amber and I'm from the Feature Success team here at Software of Excellence. Today I'm going to be showing you the new Quicklinks feature that works alongside the patient portal. This new feature is available in version 13.242 upwards, and it can be found under each patient's onboarding button. So I'm going to jump into Mr. Notes here, and if I go to his onboarding button, we can see at the bottom here we've got the new Send Portal links. Now this does work for email and SMS, but for the purpose of the video we will be focusing on the email. It does send a default template, so once you've finished requesting all of your forms, you would just click on the email button and you can see there that it has now sent. If I jump into Mr. Notes contacts, I can show you that the default template is just hi notes, follow the link to complete your forms, and then the link is at the end there. If you wanted to change this at all, if it's wanted to add a little bit of text to it, you definitely can. And to edit the template, that's done from Configure and Email Templates. Or if you were using SMS, it would be Configure SMS Templates. The default template that it uses is just called .quicklink. Once you open that in here, you can make any changes necessary and just click the Save button. Once those changes have been applied, it will now send that going forward from the quick links on the onboarding button. If you, for example, already had a template that you wanted to use, so here I've got one set up called New Quick Link, which is a little bit different to the last one. Instead of copying and recreating it, you can actually choose for the quick links to send this particular template instead. Now this can only be done by an administrator at the practice, and it's done from Configure, Settings. Once the settings load, all you need to do is type in Quick at the bottom, and you'll see here that we've got our email quick link and SMS quick link templates pop up. And to change it, all you do is double click and just type in the name of the template that you want to use. So ours is called New Quick Link. As soon as I click OK, that's going to apply that change. So if we go back to Mr. Notes, I'm going to jump back into his onboarding button and I'm just going to click email again. And if we refresh his contacts page, we can see there that the new email that we've just sent has gone because the description is changed. So just double clicking that there, you can see that the new one has been sent. That is everything with the quick links there today. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoy this new feature.